How to activate Fido Esim for iPhone online. Need to activate your Fido Esim on iPhone but don't want to visit a store? Here's how you can do it online in just a few minutes. So, before you start, make sure you have an iPhone XS or newer, a Wi Fi connection, and your Fido Esim voucher or QR code. Log into fido.ca or the Fido My Account app and select Get an eSIM or add a line. You receive a QR code or activation code to use on your iPhone. On your iPhone, go through the settings and then head over to the cellular settings and tap on Add eSIM. So in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and use QR code to be able to add the eSIM you've got from Fido or enter the activation code manually. Once installed, label the plan as Fido and choose whether it's your primary or secondary line. Adjust date and roaming settings to match your preferences. After that, restart your iPhone, check for signal bars, and test with a call or mobile data. If activation fails, contact Fido support to reissue your QR code. That's it. You've activated your Fido eSIM online. Simple, fast, and no store visit required.